I'm Michael Equi, the CEO of the Autonomous Racecar Community, or ARC.
Hi, my name is Kalen Such, and I'm the COO of ARC.
And our mission is to inspire the next generation of AI and machine learning engineers, scientists, and business leaders through AI-driven autonomous racing. ARC has 3 sub-organizations, driven by objectives and key results to focus on either community development, outreach, or accessibility of the platform and its educational value.
ARC has a unique opportunity to revolutionize the educational sphere with a new type of learning.
Currently, we have our research on the Jetson car, an AI platform built off of a Traxxas RC car and an NVIDIA Jetson. Our AWS Deep Racer goals focusing around community engagement and development, and our Racing Autonomous Cars for Education, or RACE program, that focuses on educational and outreach programs to students. Part of our mission to bring autonomous racing to as many people as possible entails improving the Deep Racer experience. This is why we have led in the development of the Deep Racer wiki page and Deep Racer local training GUI. Typically, you train your Deep Racer on the cloud, but if you want to save some money and have some more control over your model, then you can run it locally. What we have done with the GUI was make that process easier and more intuitive. We also run a blog that helps disseminate knowledge about Deep Racer and bring more people into the community. We have posts that range from tutorials to blogs and even informative articles on artificial intelligence. Racing Autonomous Cars for Education is the sub-organization that manages outreach. It targets K-8 and underserved or underrepresented groups that could benefit from something like ARC. The goal with RACE is to get people interested in AI and machine learning at a young age, so that they can develop the mindset to think critically about technology and see it as a future potential career path that can help humanity. I was particularly inspired when we went down to Voyage headquarters in Palo Alto and raced the first version of our autonomous car. It was enlightening and a fun experience, although I would not say our performance was stellar. I learned a lot and had a great time talking to people familiar with the industry, but I noticed that there were not any high schoolers or middle schoolers there.
You don't see a lot of other groups that teach artificial intelligence and machine learning, just because they're some of the more daunting subjects. Yet, we've managed to find a way to simplify and boil it down to make it understandable to anyone. From what we've seen in terms of interest and engagement with our programs, I think ARC has a serious opportunity to grow immensely. A lot of companies and individuals have expressed interest in what we're doing, so we know it's a niche that needs filling, and we hope to be the ones to do that.
So our plans for the future are developing more mentorship support so we can expand outwards from our currently small area. We want to also get more corporate sponsorships, get more corporate partnerships as well, such as with SMUD, Intel, AWS, the Mark Cuban Foundation. Those are all things we're looking at to try to expand, grow bigger, and impact more people so our organization can make a bigger impact. The goal is to create an environment that fosters growth, helps high school and middle schoolers gain connections, and grow in an AI and machine learning community.